This is video 3 of our Henri Matisse leaf 3D sculpture. What we're going to do today is we're going to take the leaves that we have already cut out and we are going to start to glue them together. Alright, so right now you have a little bag, and inside the bag you will have your stencil, and then your leaves should be in there. You should have a total of 12 leaves, 6 in one color, 6 in another. What we're going to do is we need to overlap them, lay them on top of each other, and glue them together so that when we have one leaf, we should have one side with one color and the other side with another color. So we're going to do this to all 6 leaves. So what we're going to do is we first need a placemat. We need a little thing of glue, and we need a flat paintbrush. Okay, we're going to first take the first piece. Okay, if you see your pencil or your pen, what you're going to do is you're going to glue that side so that when we look at the other side, we do not see that in there. You are going to dip the glue in here. Notice that I'm only putting it on the very tip of the brush. It is not covering the metal handle. It's only on the very, very tip. If for some reason you get too much glue like this, you're going to wipe it on the edge of your container because you do not need a lot of glue. Then you're going to go on the edge. You're going to paint on the very edge of each of your leaf shapes. So you're going to keep going. And you don't want this to be very chunky at all. We want it to be very smooth. And you're going to finish the back. Alright, if any of the chunks, just kind of blend them out. You want to work quickly because this will dry. Then you're going to take your next color and you're going to glue this on top. This way doesn't fit. You want it to be exact. So you might have to flip your leaf. And what you're going to do is you're going to rub all of the shapes. Make sure all of the corners of your leaves are done, and then you're going to take this and put it somewhere on your mat to dry. Then we're going to do that again. We're going to get our shape, make sure that they're not attached together. Okay, so these two are attached. And we are going to take our glue, make sure we're wiping it on the very edge. We have our placemat, so it's okay if you get a little bit on the placemat. Alright, we're going to glue the very edge, and we are going to glue these together. Then we're going to take the next color, make sure they're not together. Oops, that does not fit. You want to flip it over, match it up, rub your fingers on each of the edges. It is okay if it overlaps a little bit like that, that's alright. Okay, and then put this aside. You're going to do this until all of your leaves are done. So you should have a total of 6 of these that look like this. We're going to let these dry, and then our next thing is we're going to attach these to our balloon, and we're going to do the next step of our project. If you have any questions, please ask.